From today onwards we'll start exercise 4.2. So in this session I will explain you sum number 1 and 2 of question number 1. Okay, so now you see I have already explained you that the entire exercise will be done with the help of some identities. Okay, so now you see there are three terms are there, and in between each term there is a plus sign is there. So what is the identity? I said if you find that all the terms are carrying the plus sign, then you have to go for this identity, that is a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now this is the identity that you have to use to solve this particular sum. So whichever identity you are using, you have to mention it. Okay, now a square plus 8a plus 16. So what is the first thing that I asked you to do? I showed you some examples. No, first term and the last term. So you have to make it a whole square. So the first term is already in whole square form, that is a square. You will leave some gap. Now you have to make the last term as a whole square. So what will you write? 16 can be written as 4 square, isn't it? 4 for the 16. Now this will be considered as a and this will be considered as b. So what should be in the middle? 2ab, isn't it? So 2a is already a, and what is b? B is 4, isn't it? So how we'll write this? We'll write this particular term into this particular form. So a, because in place of a there is already a is there, and what is b? B is 4. So this is your answer. Okay, students, I hope you found it easy. Now let's move on to sum number 2. Now this is sum number 2. Now again we have three terms, but this time you see in between first term and second term there is a minus sign. So I hope you remember which identity you have to use. You have to use the second identity, and the second identity looks like a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is the identity that you have to use. Remember that if any one minus sign is there, that is especially in between first term and the second term, that then you have to use this identity. And if you see that all the terms are carrying the plus sign, then you have to go for this identity. Okay, so slowly, gradually you will come up. This all things will be very easy. Now write the question again, that is p square minus 10p plus 25. So what is the first thing you have to do? You have to make the first term and the third term into whole square formation. So p square can be written as p square. You will leave the gap. Now 25 could be written as 5 whole square. Now this will be considered as a. So p will be considered as a and 5 would be considered as b. So in middle 2ab, isn't it? So 2, what is a? P, and what is b? 5. So this whole formation can be written in this format. So a minus b whole square. So a minus b, isn't it? A is what? P, and b is what? 5. So this is your answer. Okay, for this session you will do only two sums, sum number 1, sum number 2 of question number 1. Okay, I hope you have understood. Thank you very much and God bless.